how to block spam and scam calls on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on settings. So now in call settings, so scroll down and click on caller ID and spam protection. So after click on caller ID and spam protection, so turn on. So after turn on caller ID and spam protection, so you will see block spam and scam calls is here. So if you want to enable block spam and scam calls, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see block spam and scam call is enabled. So if you want to disable block spam and scam calls, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see block spam and scam calls is disabled. So you will enable or disable block spam and scam calls from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can block spam and scam calls on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.